Hi guys, welcome to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll do a tutorial on skin tone. For my hair tutorial, you can check the description link below. I have put the hair tutorial link there, and I'm using Fabre polychromos. The colors we'll be using are burnt ochre, walnut brown, white. I do not have a pink in this set, so I am using prismacolor pink, and for eyes we'll be using blue, gray and black. So the approach would be, we'll be putting pink very lightly first, and then on top of pink we'll be putting burnt ochre. We'll be doing this for 2 layers, and you can then merge it with white, and then on the 3rd layer we'll be putting the walnut brown wherever there is dark, and then you can again merge it with white, and do layers after layer till you think you have achieved the look. Why I'm calling this a basic skin tone tutorial, which can be done by kids or beginners, because Faber-Castell, Prismacolors, they have their own skin tone sets which we might not have at our home. So just go ahead with a light brown, a deep brown, a pink and white to blend and layer the skin tone. Be very careful with your first 2 layers. You have to be very light-handed. You do not want your paper to get saturated at this time, because you would still have 3, 4, 5 layers to put on, so that the tooth of the paper doesn't tear off. Be light initially. I have not used any solvent or any nail polish remover to blend it, but if you want you can always do that and put layers on top of it. I have just put colors and blended with white pencil. Again have put colors, blended with white pencil. The whole concept is blend and layer, blend and layer. So till the time we achieve a basic skin tone, we would do that. In few minutes we'll be done with this painting. Check my hair tutorial how to draw black, brunette and blonde hair, and I've put the link in the description box, and if you like her, give it a try. Finally, this painting is complete. I think we have achieved a very basic skin tone. If you like it, give it a try, and if you like my channel, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon for future videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.